Hey buddy, welcome to Wizard.com. My name is Shubhadeep Chaudhary and I am your maths tutor. So let's begin. According to the question, we have to find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon having 4 sides. Now, thus we need to have a formula which relates the number of sides with the value of the exterior angle. And we have such formula, and the formula is that number of sides of a regular polygon, number of sides of a regular polygon equals 360 degrees upon the value of each exterior angle. Now, in case of a regular polygon, each exterior angle is equal. So, in the question, number of sides is equals 4. So, 4 equals 360 degrees upon exterior angle. So, exterior angle will be equals 360 degrees upon 4. So, it will be equals 90 degrees. Therefore, the value of exterior angle is 90 degree. Therefore, exterior angle of a 4-sided regular polygon is 90 degrees. Therefore, upon checking the options, we see that option C will be the required final answer. So that's it. Thank you and have a great day.